Right, I'm Lorenzo. I'm a bike mechanic for TDA Global Cycling, also known as Worldwide Mechanic on social media, and half Italian, half English. Born in London, but moved to Italy and raised there, just at the bottom of the Alps. So the bike mechanic basically takes care of the customer's bikes. So we'll set up a bike clinic at the end of the day for an hour, and any customer can come around, get the bike checked over if they had any issues riding, or if they need any parts replaced or anything like that. They just come to bike clinic, and I would say first of all assess if during the trip you need to replace any parts. That could be brake pads, chains especially, and we'll happily replace them for you. Also tweaks in gears and brakes, we'll happily do those for you. And also if you have any positioning questions, or you can't quite find the right position on your bike, you feel uncomfortable, we'll definitely have a look into it together, and we can make minor adjustments. So in a couple of days you can actually get the proper riding position that makes you feel comfortable on a bike. The riders will have to take care of the basic maintenance of their bikes, especially keeping them nice and clean. So cleaning the drivetrain, and also if they are able to do minor adjustments on gears and brakes, that's great. And especially the misconception is that we will replace your tires and tubes. That will be the rider's job. As a bike mechanic, we'll happily show you how to do all these things at the beginning of the tour, maybe, like how to properly clean a drivetrain, how to replace an inner tube, fix a puncture, but otherwise it will be the rider's task to take care of their bikes and those things. To box up your bike, does vary obviously on the size of the box and the dimension of the bike, but basically normally you'll probably take the front wheel off, take the handlebars and stem off, deflate the tires. What you really want to do is protect the rear derailleur, because the rear derailleur is attached to the mech hanger that is very easily bent, especially during transport. So you do want to cover that nicely with some bubble wrap or some cardboard. And yeah, I would wrap up the bike with some foamy stuff. The best tip is come to the bike mechanic if you have any concerns or any questions about bike stuff, and we'll happily sort them out for you.